Greetings everyone. My name is Shikhar Thani and I am from Uttarakhand. Currently I am living in Dehradun. Talking about academics, I have done my 10th from Max International School and I have scored 89.4 percentage, and I have done my 12th from AJRR Patel Nagar School and have scored an aggregate of 96.6 percentage, and currently I am pursuing BTech Computer Science from Graphic Hill University. And talking about my extracurricular activities, I have taken participate in many debate competitions, inter as well as inter school, and I have participated in various inter school patriotic competitions, song competitions, and have won some handful prizes and certificates. And talking about my hobbies, that I love to code, and I love to introspect about logics and concepts, and also I love to introspect about physics stuffs. And now talking about my strengths, I like to create a healthy environment around me, and I can, and I back my problem solving abilities a lot, and I love to teach something in which I'm good at, I'm best at. Okay, now talking about my today's topic, the title is that how to think about anything in your life. Yeah. Okay, let's start. You know that time is such a luxury that we always has been underrated. It is an underrated luxury for us. We can neither create it, nor we can lend it from someone, or we can borrow, or nor we can lend it to someone. It's just biggest luxury of our, and we all have got it same. 24 hours a day, 1440 minutes a day, and 168 hours a week, or approximately 70 years to live. Okay, suppose you are in your early 70s and you are peeping into your past 20, 30, 40 years, that what you have done in your past 30, 40 years. Now come back to present, and now I would like to question you that what do you want to see in that past. I am sure that you would like to see that you have been a wonderful in your past 20, 30 years. You have been impactful, you have impacted lives of thousands, lakhs, millions. It is a great thing. Yeah, and it is all like this, that we are filling the pages of our book, and we are author itself, we are author ourselves only. And what's the difference between the books, between a normal ones and the impactful ones? It's upon the choices we made. It's upon the choice we made between two options. First option, but that we wait for the things to happen, just to let the things to happen for us. Or second, grab opportunities, create opportunities, and bang, just do wonderful things. Obviously, that every one of us wants to do something impactful, but choice is ultimately yours. You want to write a normal book or a great book? Choice is yours, and I am sure that everyone wants to write an impactful book that can impact a life of several. And in this process, there are some thing that we always do wrong. So let's discuss it. That my first point, that we should not only know about success, or we should not only know how to handle success, we also should know about failures. Now a question arises, why failures? Because success is the ultimate goal of everyone in that process. Then why failure? Because failure leads to learning. How? Okay, let me give you an example. You are given a task, suppose you have given a task 1, okay, and you have tried it from method A, and suppose you have failed. Now you have tried it from method B, again you have failed, suppose, and from C you again failed, D you again failed, and now you have tried it from method E, and now you have suppose got success. You have learning in this process. You're learning, and this learning creates leads to creativity. How? We are doing the same task one from methods, 5 methods, A, B, C, D, E. It's all about creativity, and this creativity will bring knowledge. How? And in this for all task, we have gained some knowledge that we will not do these things in the method fifth. And suppose a person does the same task one from method E and got success in the first time. He did not know about these methods, these 4 methods, and he is knowledgeable, or you are knowledgeable as you know about these 4 methods. Now and you have gained knowledge, and I am sure that you would not like to tell me that I may tell you about the knowledge of power. I hope that you know about the knowledge of power, power of knowledge, what knowledge can do. Now my second point, dare to do some impossible imagination. First you do imagination, then the second steps come into play, but first is to dare to imagine impossible things. You know that history is the proof that those who dare to imagine impossible has today created history itself. Einstein, Newton, etc. There are a number in every field. Those who dare are created history in every field. Now my third point, be honest. Whatever you are doing, just be honest. It should not be that suppose you have got a live session of any teacher and he is teaching that way, and you are here from your side not attending that session with 100% focus, and you are just scrolling the Instagram. It's not like that. Just give your 100%. If you're not giving your 100%, how can the other people help you to to gain that impactful life? So and my next point is that you should know how your aim looks like. And because if you do not know how your aim looks like, you will not be able to imagine your goal. And if you will not be able to imagine your goal, just how can you go for it further with full efficiency? You cannot go with it. My next point will be that just give your 100%. Put your maximum inputs. Put your inputs that you have never given to anything. You put your 100% input that you are capable of. You will you will not regret after doing the task. Oh, that I have not done up to my limits. So I think that if I have done my task with my 100% efficiency, I may be able to do that. So it should not be that. You should not regret about anything. I hope that I'm clear to I'm clear to my every point. Now, it is the accepted time to do things we ought to read the books we ought to take those classes we ought to. Just do it now. The condition is like that, do it now or never. It's like now or never. There is no such option like tomorrow. It is like do it now or never. Your life should be a quality, it does not matter the length of your life. It depends upon the quality. Thank you.